This house has a swimming pool running through everything, not beside it, not in the back, but right through the middle. This is the Bott House, designed by Sun Architecture in San Ġwann, Malta. And here, the pool is not just a leisure area, it is the spine of the house. But the house is not only about water, it also has a heart, a large light well made with perfectly aligned circular glass discs. In other words, the house is organized by two very clear elements: water horizontally, light vertically. The pool crosses the site, the light crosses the floors, and life happens between these two forces. 25 meters of water cross the lot, connecting the front garden to the rear garden and passing beneath the elevated spaces of the house. Before becoming a house, this site had another use. It functioned as a kindergarten, and it was located beside an industrial area, so it did not seem like the ideal lot for a family home. But the design does exactly that. It transforms a difficult condition into a very precise house. The idea was not just to make use of the site, it was to create a strong shared space with bold geometry, but very practical use. On the ground floor, the house is open. The glass facades allow views from one side to the other, and the service cores are shifted to the side. Bathroom, kitchen, staircase, everything moves away from the center. This frees the plan and creates a flexible space. Above, the main volume seems to float over the pool. The kitchen and the living and dining room are elevated facing the shared garden. The water passes underneath, life happens above, and the gardens continue at both ends. This is the house's great move. It does not separate pool, garden, and interior. It stitches everything together into a single sequence. Light also stitches the house together. At the center, 3 large triple glass discs pass through the floors. They bring light from the upper levels down to the lower spaces and create a visual connection between the floors. It is not just a skylight, it is a vertical axis of light. In addition to the circular discs, there are 2 square glass openings in the floor. They help bring light down to the pool beneath the house. This means the water doesn't depend only on side light. It receives light passing through the volume of the house itself. The house becomes a filter. It filters light, it filters shadow, it filters reflection, and transforms all of this into experience. The materiality helps keep everything together. On the ground floor, travertine appears continuously, inside the house and also in the private outdoor areas beside it. This creates a feeling of unity. The floor doesn't keep changing all the time. The house feels calmer, more cohesive, more integrated. The travertine also speaks to the water, to the light, and to the mineral feeling of the house. Concrete appears in the staircase, more raw, more structural. Glass appears as facade, as floor, as light, and as almost invisible boundary. The house works with a few strong elements: water, travertine, concrete, glass, garden, and geometry. Nothing depends on excess. The impact comes from the organization. On the upper floors are the bedrooms, more private but still connected to the rest of the house through the light well. At the top, there is an oculus, a circular opening, but it wasn't designed casually. Its shape is adjusted to avoid excessive heat gain and to spread a more even light through the interior. The light enters, but it enters in a controlled way. Even on the upper levels, the house remains connected to the ground floor, to the water, to the void, to the light. Nothing is completely isolated. The house has around 750 square meters, but the area is not the most important thing. What matters most is how the space was used. Instead of filling everything with closed rooms, the design lets the void work, lets the pool create direction, lets the light pass through, and lets the ground floor breathe. The staircase is also a strong element. It's made of exposed concrete, and it's suspended above the kitchen. Its base extends and approaches the large central island. It doesn't seem like just circulation, it feels like part of the composition. A heavy gesture, but a precise one. In the end, the bought house transforms a difficult lot into a house organized by two movements. Water crosses below, light crosses above, and between the two, the house becomes a space for living, swimming, moving, gathering, and looking. A house that feels like a geometric composition, but works like a real home.